Alright. Alright, welcome to the Cat in the Hat Let's Play. Freaking, this is...
The Vendy Universal Games.
Yeah, it's specifically that... Oh man, look, it's Universal. Oh man.
Okay, do you see it? Did it just finish wrapping around?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're still in sync.
We're good. Don't worry, man.
Okay,
we're fine.
You said, oh look, it's Universal, and I was like, are we like 4 seconds out of sync? How did that even happen?
I don't know. This is as you can see, folks, we're not professionals. We're doing this for fun. Currently, I'm not even recording with any real microphone. I'm recording off of my phone.
I happen to be a professional, just not a professional musician or audio guy. I'm just a professional dumbass.
You know, and he takes great pride in his work. Anyway.
Okay, listen here, you son
This
of
is
a bitch.
ominous.
Dr. Seuss The Cat in the Hat interactive game, 2003, Universal Interactive. I was reading that, damn it. Okay,
It was a windy, rainy day. Then, to everyone's surprise, I turned up
Why
and cheer
is
up some
Donald
kids.
Trump
But
narrating
then, what do you
this?
know? My magical crate is opened. The lock was stolen.
Why is his hair so realistic?
Because he's a cat.
Thus I,
See,
the
look, it's the cat
smallest
guy.
cat ever
Oh,
seen in a
I hate it. I hate it.
Oh man, you're in for a ride.
What is... Why does the house look like... Why did the house look like Margaret Thatcher?
Just cause. Also, freaking Alec Baldwin's just in this game.
What?
Yeah, don't worry, you'll see him. Don't.
I don't even know. Like, I barely know actors. I don't know who Alec Baldwin
was. The guy in that one thing. Real quick.
Okay.
Anyway, so
wait. Alec Baldwin was that guy in that one thing. Yeah, you know, that one thing. Was he co-starring with Daniel DeVito?
Good old Daniel DeVito. Alright, here's the nightmare fuel.
Oh, Cats looked better than this.
Oh yeah. So, if it isn't obvious already, we're playing Cat in the Hat. This is a childhood game of mine that I remember rushing back from home and 100%ing it every day.
Why is his tail so thick?
'Cause he can, and he wears it like a fly motherfucker.
Okay, why are we joined by, like, what?
He just went into a clock, don't worry about it.
Quinn, that nasty neighbor from next door, is wandering through the house collecting
So this
pennies.
is like one of
He's
those
also got the
kid
crab lock you need to
platformers that you
reseal your
remember
crate.
more
Chase
being
him out
good
of
than it
whatever
actually
world he decides
was.
to hide it. With the magic he's
Okay,
collecting, he's
I'm
eventually going to
I'm
find
already having a
Try
stroke.
not to get
What
too
does this
bad
have to
hurt.
do with the
As I
Cat in the
recently
Hat?
said today,
He has to clean up stuff.
anything that prevented you from cleaning up this
No.
mess, that is.
He has to clean up the house.
The Cat in the Hat is supposed to be a chaotic god.
Well, yeah, he is, but he's bored, so he's just, I don't know, he's giving himself a challenge. See, he's turning himself into particles to go fight some random white dude.
Okay, could you please rephrase that sentence? You make the Cat in the Hat sound like a social justice warrior.
Flies when you're having fun.
Oh man, look, that was surely a funny line from him.
Well, it's about time you
Also,
got
this
here.
fucking fish
This
is
mess isn't gonna
nightmare
clean
fuel.
itself.
He stares
And
into your
whenever
soul.
you see me, come over and I'll give you some advice because I know you're going to need it.
I feel like his
From the
eyes
same bowl you swim.
are...
Now pay attention.
Okay, no,
To capture
I'm pressing the timeout button. Did that fish just teleport?
and the
No,
next
there's
time you try to
multiple
fire,
fish
you'll shoot the
at the
creature
same.
at your
Think of
target
it like
instead of your
Time
usual
Lord
pathetic
rules.
stream of
There
bubbles.
can be multiple of the same person.
Big words from someone who
I-
covered in bad.
See, he's there again.
That's...
Okay, I'll try to use
The
salt.
fish is not the fish is not the fish, but the fish is God.
The fish
the
is
Holy
fish
Trinity.
and fish is
You'll spring
cod.
high into the air.
No, no, I didn't say cod, I said God. Very different thing, although not really.
I know what I
So many
said.
sushi restaurants.
So we've already established that the fish is part of an infinite trinity of other fishes.
Exactly. It's like how there's multiple, like, Tim and Tommy and Nook in every Animal Crossing world.
Really?
Yeah, there's
That's weird.
think of it. Everyone's
Is that how
playthrough,
Nook?
there's a
Is that
version of
why?
them.
Is that why Nook is such a? Okay, Nook is such a hardcore capitalist. He split himself into 5,000 copies just to gyp more people.
Exactly. Mad lad.
This looks like a bad Little Big Planet level. This is a bad Little Big Planet level.
Yeah, I remember
Complete with score
looking
orbs.
at this game on an Xbox port, and I think they were playing it on an Xbox 360, and there was an issue with how some Xbox games just don't understand the Xbox 360 or the other way around. So
Okay.
it looked like garbage. And then, surprise, we're using an emulator for this one because it's like, why would I spend a bunch of money on a PS2 to then get it modded and then to just emulate one game or so?
Well, you're the kind of person who would probably have a modded PS2 lying around somewhere.
And I don't know it.
Yeah, pretty much. I actually have an old, almost broken PS3 a few feet away from me, and sooner or later I'm gonna jailbreak it and just mess with it.
Like, get all that homebrew weird stuff on it. Just have
Oh
fun.
yeah. Just, I mean, I barely have any games on it, but I'm gonna make it into an absolute
Take a
mess.
second to realize there's birds that literally, like, fly around with plungers on their face.
You say that like that's not a normal occurrence.
Well, I'm just saying
Are
that this
are
game
birds-
is very realistic and we should take its merits seriously.
Yeah. Are birds different in Arizona than in Kentucky?
Yeah, they don't have that much, you know,
The birds work for the proletariat anyway.
yeah.
People always say that the birds work for the bourgeois, but in reality,
There is a
no.
He or she, I never can tell which, has stolen
Wow,
one of
this-
Morty's
It's 2020, bird.
bubble blast
2020, it's
You need-
they
or a ball of
or
goo.
thing.
I can never remember.
It's 2020, bird. I demand you to be more progressive than this.
3 more keys to
Can't believe it. This.
I'm one to talk.
Oh. Oh man, that
What-
green
what did
stuff
he
spelled
just
okay.
do? Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. If this is what your house looks like, you need to live in a more dangerous, I mean a less dangerous house.
No, it has to be more dangerous now.
Oh no! I was trying to quote an old YouTube channel I used to watch, Gemini Laser. I only made it worse.
2 more
You know,
keys to
it says that there's like thing 1 and thing 2, but there's 4 things in this one level. So is there like thing 2 or thing 3?
It goes like this. It's very simple. Thing 1, Thing 2, Thing 2 Episode 1, Thing 2 Episode 2. There's also Thing Alex, but we haven't found that one yet.
Oh, I heard that one's
That-
coming to the thing
this
VR.
level's bonus door.
Yeah, but Valve is doing a pretty poor job marketing it.
What are you talking about? Valve has nothing to do about this. This is
I said
Seuss.
I said Valve with a TH at the start. You incoherent
Valve.
marshmallow. Valve.
Man, with their lead guy, Gabe Seuss.
Well, I mean, oh my god, can you imagine Dr. Seuss telling the story of the Combine invasion?
He would only do it in 100 words.
Oh my god.
Man,
What is happening?
this is a bonus stage. So you know how all the things have keys on them? There's 4 keys in each level, and if you get all of them, you get to go into the bonus room. And if you get all the bonus gems out of each of these rooms, you actually unlock a special. You unlock a extra stage, basically, that's based on a specific scene in the Cat in the Hat movie.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and it's kind of like when when I went back to play this through fully, I did that, and it didn't occur to me until like I got to the stage that was literally the last scene from the movie, just put in video game form.
I am honestly speechless. I don't know what to make of what I'm looking at right now.
Bonus stage. He has the Chaos Emeralds.
Why are his feet like that?
Because he's a Susian.
No, that's not okay.
What are you talking about? Don't you have giant furry feet?
Wait, time. Well, in my closet, but when he went yeehaw, my brain auto-corrected that as the Cat in the Hat, like, ascending to the heavens and going yeet as he did so.
Yeet ha.
I came, I saw, I kicked its ass. Yes, this is family entertainment, isn't it?
Yes, Donald Trump cat. Yes, it is.
Grab him by that. Save can't. Loading data. What is happening?
It's save data.
No. That has the same energy as what you got over there? A smoothie.
It's perfect. Now he got vored by the plant.
You know, never mind, I take it back. This game is very progressive for its time if I just witnessed what I think I did.
It was ahead of its time. It knew the curve.
It does.
You can now explore a whole new world.
Wow. So crazy.
I don't like it. Oh, it hurts.
Yep, welcome to the plant level. There's going to be a level in the future where it's music based, and you're going to see one of the most terrifying things in this entire game.
Okay, you said welcome to
the jungle, baby.
welcome. No, you can't say that. That's copyrighted. But you
Yeah.
said welcome to the plant level or whatever, and my mind, like, I don't know what misfired, but Welcome to the Black Parade immediately started playing in my mind, and now I'm imagining the cat leading the Black Parade.
Honestly,
Oh
that
no,
seems pretty
he's
fitting,
just
all things
he's
considered.
just straddling it.
I was a young Seuss.
If it wasn't for the fact I'd have to pause the video, I would go get my piano right now.
Please don't. Don't you hate it when your rocket, like, explodes prematurely?
Okay, the words explode and prematurely do not belong in the same sentence if you're talking about rockets, unless you're talking about Elon Musk's ego.
Now that one's a wild ride.
I can't believe I just witnessed you shoot one of the things.
Yeah, you shoot one of the things to get the keys.
This feels like an even worse version of the Planet Wisp level in Sonic Generations.
Yeah, this is what it originally looked like.
It actually kind of has some similarities.
A little bit. It's mostly the plant
rockets
area, I guess.
I can't wait until Eggman appears and pisses on the cat.
Okay, that's fanfic. Alright. People in the
Let me go.
comments, please write your fanfictions.
You say that like anyone is going to watch this.
I can hope.
I'll have to share it around my friends. Maybe we can...
Blocks of Goonamite. Just
Oh,
There's
those eyes,
Goonamite.
they cause me pain. I thought this was a family-friendly game. Damn it, fish.
It's goo.
And then less than a minute earlier, I'm talking about Eggman showing up and pissing on the
He has a very special announcement.
Cat in the Hat 2 coming to theaters 2024.
Oh god. The scary thing is that there is a book of, like, Cat in the Hat.
Yeah, I know.
But then, like, would they get Mike Myers? in his like kind of old state.
Oh my god. And just for this, and just putting it out there, it's going to come out on November 8th. I don't know what that means, but I feel like it's important.
I don't know specifically why you would choose that date. Granted, I feel that is somewhat offensive in some country.
What? Saying that the Cat in the Hat would be a better president than the one we have already?
Damn, his hot takes are already taking fire.
You haven't
Let's
seen a
keep
single
this
hot take so
non-political,
far.
guys. Am I right?
That wasn't even very political. I mean, the Cat in the Hat can actually clean things up.
Yeah, with putting them in bubbles.
Good.
You know what we need for you know who we need in Congress right now?
What?
What's the name of that, like, brand of, like, toilet cleaner that has the commercials with, like, the Scrubbin' Bubbles? We need the Scrubbin' Bubbles cartoon characters in Congress.
Can we have just a bunch of cleaning icons be going against each other for presidency? Like Mr. Clean, the Scrub-a-Bubble people.
Mr. Clean is just The Rock, but he's already cleaned.
A bottle of Windex is just running. Yep.
Yeah, it's running for Wisconsin, actually.
Also, for some reason, there's a grab animation for ledges. I don't fully understand why, though.
Why?
I don't know.
Got all the keys to this level's
Like, there's an actual animation for it?
Yeah, it's just him, like, grabbing it, but at the same time, it's like, what the heck?
Because I can't see that being useful in a game like this.
It isn't.
If you see a hanging
Hold on,
hoop,
you
just
gotta
run,
entertain
grab
the
it,
folk.
and be carried along to wherever it leads.
Okay,
If you
so,
move in the direction
as
the
you
hoop
can
is
see,
traveling,
I
then
won't
you'll
pause
speed
it.
up.
So, as you
If you
can
move
see,
the other way,
the fish is
it'll
currently
slow down.
telling us about hanging
Try it,
hoops.
but don't expect
Now,
me to come running if it
for
all
those
goes
unaware,
wrong.
the
I might
fish
have
is
let my
talking
legs
about
stay
the
out of
death
the fish
of a beloved character in
Where
a
did I
series
read
called
that
Doki Doki
Tartosaurus?
Literature Club. Her name was, wait, was it Natsuki or Sayori? I can never remember. Hang on, let me consult Google. I slowly opened the door. It was Sayori. Okay, so the fish is talking about Sayori, right? And it says something about the hoop, and it's trying to remind us all that there's always a way out of things that doesn't involve hoops hanging from the ceiling. Unless, of course, your name is Sayori.
So, what did you inform the viewers about?
Oh, you know, stuff. You're gonna hear this all once you put it all together. You're gonna lose so much faith in me as a human being.
I feel like I'll just have a good kind of pity chuckle.
I was talking about how the fish was talking about hanging hoops from the ceiling, and my mind immediately went to Sayori from DLC.
Why?
This is already not
You know,
a very it's not a very
That
kosher
in that bubble
show.
floating around is a mood.
He was vibing before it was cool.
I was flying around in bubbles before it was cool. Man,
I
such
don't
a
want to hear
classic
him meow
Cat in the Hat
once
enemy.
anymore. Checkpoint. I'm glad I could read that in this 122p resolution.
Yeah, I'm not sorry for that.
This here
You really get around for
You don't seem like the kind of person who would be sorry about it.
Not really. I just like the fact that one of Cat in the Hat's most iconic enemies in this game will just be a miscellaneous hand with a tentacle that has a
Aren't we
hammer.
forgetting that we've got a job to do?
So the end of Super Smash Bros. Melee.
Yes.
I hate
Hammer
his face
strikes
so
in.
much.
Just how many rooms has this house actually got?
I don't know.
We should become the post-commentary Game Grumps. Why is it so tall?
Because you're gonna use the bubble.
Cat now.
at this point, I think I found out how to speed up in the bubble, so...
It would be great if the next time you recorded one of these, you also recorded real-time commentary to occasionally splice in during weird sections.
Yeah, just... No, I'll add, like, specific, like, little subtitles that just say, I hated this. I didn't like existing then.
How are you so close to a perfect score? Are you a Cat in the Hat prodigy?
Well, it's because I played this game a lot when I was a kid, and I intend to try to 100% it for this playthrough. I say that before the part where I definitely don't get a perfect score in the next stage.
Why does the cat have so much cocaine on him? I don't understand.
Vroom, baby, vroom!
Well, that was perfectly timed for that statement.
Oh my god! That was so unokay.
So much been owed by so many to one cat.
Alright, well, that wraps up part number one. Join us
should
next
wait
time
until the
when
video.
we continue this.
Yeah, we should wait for the video to finish ending before we press the button.
Don't worry about it. There it goes.
Goodbye.
Anyway,
it is time.
Have a nice day, everyone. Freaking, this is a train wreck.